J-B Weld brings the world's strongest bond to multi-purpose putty. For quick repairs and paint prep, nothing works better. It's great for wood, metal, sheetrock, and more. It dries fast, won't shrink or sag, is easy to sand and paint, and is waterproof. Whether you've used an all-purpose putty before or not, repairing something like this window will come easy. Start by cleaning and drying the surface. Remove all rot and sand the damaged area with 80 grit sandpaper. Sand all the way down and brush away the dust. Knead the hardener before opening the tube. Open the can lid and stir the putty. On top of a non-porous surface, apply a bead of hardener over the diameter of putty you plan to use. Mix enough for a 3 to 4 minute work time. Use a paint spreader to combine until the mixture is a uniform color. Next, apply the putty. Use firm pressure to spread over the repair area. Allow 20 minutes to cure. Sand the surface with 80 grit sandpaper, then finish with a finer grit. Finally, prime and paint per the manufacturer's recommendation. Job done right, just the way you like it. Learn more at jbweld.com.
J-B Weld, world's strongest bond.